SHOT Show 2026 coverage is presented by 511 Tactical. Shotguns make me hot. And so does Hammer here over at the KelTec booth. My good friend Hammer, you guys remember him from last year. Always good to have you on the program, my friend.
Thank you.
We're looking at a new version of the KS7. Now, before we get into what's new, what is the KS7?
So KS7 is our single tube variant of our KSG shotgun line. We won Shotgun of the Year with this thing. It's one of the best self-defense shotguns on the market just for size and capability and capacity. But now we've upgraded the Gen 2, made a couple of little improvements, and we'll go over all those with you.
Yeah. Take this in your swollen, tattooed baby hands, and let's go through the features.
So one of the most first visible things, I should say, is the KS7 originally came with that like pulse gun style carry handle on top.
Which I thought was rad, so this is bad news.
It was pretty sweet because it had the chevron fiber optic sight in it, but a lot of people end up just buying the flat top to go on there. So now it comes with a Picatinny rail on it. This is actually the Defender series. So the Defender series comes with your Magpul flip-ups and your Vortex crossfire. But the biggest thing we've done with the Gen 2 is we added, it's like a little clamshell that clamps right over on the action right here. That when you take it off reveals a 5-slot pick rail section so you can put any of your vertical grips on there. So that was one of the things a lot of people didn't like before, is that you couldn't put a grip on there. And now that problem's been remedied, so.
Any changes to the internals?
We made just a couple little improvements for cycling and function and everything else, but nothing really major. But
Now, if I can't take a hint from the name, what's the capacity?
7+1 in 2 3/4. You go to 6+1 and 3-inch though.
How much are these going to cost, and when do they come out?
So baseline models will be right around the $499 to $550 mark, but the Defender models come in at $699.
Okay, and are these out now, or are they coming out soon?
On the website right now.
Color variations. I see we've got like a couple. This is the standard version here, right?
Yep. So yeah, the standard you can see in the tan, black of the Defender. We also have the green, and then
which looks awesome.
Several other distributor exclusives and like colors too.
One thing you don't really talk about, I mean, if you're brave enough, guys, you can Terminator this shit. One-handed. It's the balance is incredible. Okay, well, I mean, that was the rundown to the KS7. You guys have seen it. This is the new improved version. Hammer, thank you so much for being on the program as usual. Guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. We're bringing you more from SHOT Show 2026. Take care.